This is a Hampton Bay cabinet design tip. Hampton Bay, available at the Home Depot. In this video, we'll talk about the Hampton Bay Island End Panels and decorative corner posts. Hampton Bay has two pieces that are incredibly useful in kitchen design: Decorative Island End Panel and the decorative corner post. The first is the Decorative Island End Panel. This piece can be used in a variety of applications. It measures 37.5 inches wide by 34.5 inches tall and 3 inches deep. Let's look at some of the many ways this piece can be used in a kitchen design. One of the most common installations would be to install these at the end of an island or a peninsula. Due to its depth, it becomes not only a decorative feature, but a support for counter overhang to create a seating bar. Another option is to install wall cabinets on the back side of the island or peninsula, and the island end panel now becomes a decorative end panel that creates a truly high-end look to the design. Decorative wall cabinet doors can be added to the panel, further enhancing the look. In this example, an island is transformed into an eating bar with opposed seating on one end. Because decorative island end panel is finished on all sides, including the inside, it can be used without being attached directly to a cabinet. This design shows how the decorative island end panel can be used standing alone to create a 36-inch tall eating bar. This can be achieved by constructing a framework out of things like 2x4 materials, and then fastening the decorative island end panel to it, then fastening tall fillers to the framework, finishing off the look. One of the great features about this piece is that it's designed to be cut to nearly any width. This is possible because one of the end posts is shipped loose and can be removed, allowing the center panel to be cut to size. Then the end post can be fastened back on the panel, which allows the decorative island end panel to serve an entirely different purpose in a design. Here's an example of how the island end panel can be cut to create a dishwasher end panel. Or, in this example, the decorative island end panel can be altered to accommodate a standard 24-inch base cabinet depth. Again, because the panel can be simply altered in size, it can be used in a variety of design solutions. By cutting the panel in half, the island end panel serves as a decorative element to a bump out on things like a cooktop, or sink base, or wet bar. Or, take a look at this example of a wall entertainment center where the two halves can be also installed to achieve the opposite effect, to recess an area either for decorative or functional purposes. Here's an example of using the island end panel as a decorative end on some wall cabinets installed like base cabinets that totally transforms the two simple wall cabinets into furniture. The second piece that's offered by Hampton Bay is a decorative corner post. This piece works much like the island end panel. However, the difference is that you'll need to construct the wall that goes between. This works easily because the post was designed to fit perfectly over the end of a 2x4 wall, with drywall on either side. Here's an application where the end post simply caps both ends of a sheetrock wall. This is especially handy when there's a sink in an island, and the wall needs to be a wet wall, meaning a wall with the plumbing inside. Here you'll see how this is accomplished. A standard 2x4 wall is constructed with drywall, and the posts simply cap both ends. You can also add the base molding to finish off the bottom. The post is designed with enough space to even allow a 1/4-inch ply panel to be added over the drywall. By carefully planning the spacing, you may be able to place decorative end panel doors on the back. Like the decorative island end panel, this piece can be used on bump outs and setbacks in cabinet runs. These two pieces can transform an ordinary design into an extraordinary design. Hampton Bay, elegant cabinetry with great value. Available at the Home Depot.